Wearables are those technological devices of small size that are incorporated into our accessories, as is the case of clothing. Even those electronic devices that are somehow integrated into a part of the body interact continuously with the user, such as smart glasses, smartwatches, bracelets, or sports shoes with GPS built in. The purpose of these devices is to perform some specific function that facilitates daily life. Its use has a multitude of advantages. Thanks to its small size, you don't have to worry about transporting it or storing it in a suitcase or pocket, a situation that does happen with a laptop or a cell phone. This type of technology goes with the user himself, attached to his body as if it were one more part of it. They allow you to group on the same device different tools of both leisure and work. For example, in the case of smartwatches, you can sync your email account, make calls, send text messages, listen to music, and interact with your GPS. Wearables can also be customized either to let you know that your keystrokes are very high while exercising or that you are taking the wrong route when driving. As for the promotion of healthy lifestyle habits, smartwatches and bracelets are being great drivers as they help the user to determine the optimal exercise that should be carried out daily and to control if they are fulfilling it. Likewise, sneakers with built-in GPS can become great allies when going for a run or exercise outdoors. This type of technology is increasingly present in the business field. In various high-risk sectors, technological solutions have begun to be implemented to enable safer work with fewer incidents. For example, there are fire and miner helmets that control the oxygen and temperature levels that each worker can tolerate. In addition, they usually have a built-in GPS that allows them to be located constantly.